So, mami, olaba ku byofumba, kuba ofumbira ku gundi ku charcoal stove.
You okay?
Bano no bazze balidde. They are not foodies. Mami, kano wakamazeemu. Wategedde otya nti nno wakamazeemu. Kanina. Did you tell them what you're supposed to be?
Yes, I did.
All right. Are you explaining? Because you have to. You're a chef.
Yes.
Dark soy sauce.
This one is for color, and then this one's for like if you want to taste it.
If you want it tasty.
It's like it's like grounded soybeans, and it's put into a.
But what do you use it for?
Stir fries, fried rice.
Why do you use it? And hope you shouldn't worry. It's fat free. Yeah. Everything chetukozesa, we know you. Toli muntu wa fatty, so we are gonna be lenient with you.
Mbukwe Isaac kangire wano bono
Bwaweddeko.
Charge tusigaze bono. Bono madie.
Ata
like that.
Okay.
Nakanga. Tekagwe.
Kaina magnet.
Wow, Sanya bibyo nga biri malida. Kale mujja mukwata ku bintu bya ssanyu. Bintu bya kyanya.
Kati wane nga bibiri omplaswa biri yange enva.
Banange ate nga biwooma. Babiri osobola no twalabye balina ne bugundi obulungi. What are they? Twalabye ki?
Kati tambuze mubbawe emigaati.
Babawe bali. Bajja kulya.
Nakalima nawe oyagala.
Tayagala.
Ngirira sanyu gundi we. It's almost.
Yeah.
Oyagala ng'agiridde ddala?
Or do you want some?
No. Yabadde wagoona.
For my mashed potato.
Mami hopolya butter ki?
Do you eat prestige?
Tabiri alabika. Yabivaako.
It's okay. Once in a while. It's okay.
You're looking after your diet. Okay. Nakwetagayo saucepan nange. Saucepan endala.
Naleero luno bannaayo ayimirira atinga. Kwegamba leero luno.
Wama pozinga. Mami, did you use vinegar? Okay.
Vinegar is
yeah.
For acidity.
Yeah? Okay. I wanted you to explain. Gwabimanyi obulungi. Okay, Sanyu, to you explain.
I have already.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, earlier.
Oh, you did. Okay. All right. Nkuvuddeko mami. Your garlic paste. Ane dama sibizigo. Muna lino siddagala ly'amanyi. Munanga ate by the way, nalabye mu supermarket ebintu ebisinga bye tulina balina ne London gundi. London. Me mama babiseera bitya akantu ka pound emu omanyi sente. Nagambye banna.
Kati ffe bibino balina ebirungo byetutalabanga nako. Kati gomba okujjayo.
Buno twabuleeta naye nga balina ebintu ye. Babulina balina. Babirina munnange but biri bya bbeeyi. I think bagulira era bazungu.
Bakyala bazungu mwe bali bafumba.
Bakyala bazungu kakati nze ngenda kuteekamu kagundi. Njagala ki? Njagala kajiiko.
Quicker way, we can just put it in the microwave.
Nedda microwave. It's fine. Ajagira ajakuta. So abantu bange Isaac nze munange kale let me explain. Nga we twagambye before we are going to use jumbo. Jumbo alimo sigana kozesa salt. I use jumbo because alina omunyo mungi. I think wali omulabyeko no jumbo waneeno. I don't think so. Neze gwenkozesa nga omunnyo because saagala munnyo mungi. Okay, that should be fine. Noteekamu for flavor.
This. Yeah. That's for when I bake it. I put the cheese on.
Tuba twagala tomatoes zino zikole ki? Zigonde. Nga tetulina kye tulaba.
Nejasi alabayo.
Bana ijase mumuleke. Naye munaye waki mumubeerako bambi. Mumuleke bambi. Jasi bambi muntu mulungi nnyo. When you love hope, you're going to be loved. So, yeah, kino kibikeko. Kaneeno ke ka main gundi. Ye main gundi. Ye main gundi ekola bolognese. Woba tolina this sauce, that means you're not going to be able to make spaghetti bolognese.
You bought this from here.
Anedda. Yeah. Nateekangamu kale byendaba nti nno olaba byantaasizza. So
twayogera ddi ku mmere.
Omwaka mugumu emabega.
Natandika owulira emmere eyabba. Ebbanga lye mbagambidde nti ojja tufumbira. Emmere munaye bagenda linnya ennyonyi n'ebirungo bijjira ku nnyonyi.
Naye lwakuba bino eno wamma bya Uganda bino.
No.
Waliwo bye tukoze ebye.
Ate kati nzijjukidde.
Tuteeke mugundi mu microwave just a little bit. Netemo tetubirekamu nnyo. Like 2 minutes. 2 minutes ejja kubeegize. Okay.
No, not even 2 minutes.
1 minute.
Isaac, jangu tutere once. Mu microwave. Eri masannyalaze.
Mami togwayo eri. Togwa mu bintu. Omukolo ne gufa.
Teekako microwave ejja kunywa. Teeka ku sowaani okuula microwave evumba. Oteeke microwave.
Should I go help?
Thank you, love. No, you are good. Yeah, spaghetti. Thank you.
The chef.
I think spaghetti mungi nja kwetaaga basooke bajjemu bino. Wow. So far so good. Do you want green pepper? Okay, so cut meal.
Just put in more barbecue sauce for the sweetness. And then when the butter's melted, then we can put it in the potatoes and then we can assemble. Yay! Yippee. Thank you.
Hey, it's hot.
Oh, obigize nnyo, Mummy. Okay, that's enough. I think it should be helpful. Eh? Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Just need to.
Nga biringa boiling.
Then
Mummy, what do you want?
just like
What?
a little bit of this.
Okay. But first
Sorry,
wash
these
them.
too much.
No.
Thank you.
First wash, eh?
That's all I need.
Akaliwa. Munaye babadde babunkolera wano. Eri nze buno nabuleeta. Nsaagala nnyo kubeera ku mulimu tetubukozesa. Mbigira nga ndi ku vacation mukwano. Ne zino enjala tukola tuli ku vacation. Kati nze nkola mu bakataala tebabikkiriza. Kuba obeera olwanagana n'abalwadde. Kakati olwanagana omupiyasing. Tebakututte mu kkomera mukwano.
Kano bakatutere wali gyafudde ngenda mutegeke ebisaani mutegeke
mutegeke olubuto.
Osinzira bwenda
Mutegeke olubuto. Mutegeke olubuto. Kikigwe.
This is the melted.
Banangonyiza.
This is the garlic butter.
Bambi.
Jangu
I just need to get the dish. Then we assemble. Wait.
Bambi. Oh. Wamuleetedde dda abagenyi baatategeera kati tabitegeera. Mommy, you want me to help? Banange. Oh.
I wish we bring salt.
Salt, eh? Oli, are you healthy? No, Mommy. Let's not use salt.
Muwe haga.
Oh, you. Tamali enough.
No.
Soda mutekwa mujamulira ku mmere
Still
bane mbuto muzifudde ki?
Okay. But I'll just use a little bit.
Cause Mummy, ogenda kuteeka ne move. Si wekiri.
I've already put in the...
Okay.
Sorry.
Nze wamagi njigisi.
Bannange kyokka ffe tukyali. Era woba ogiisizza ngenda kuteekako amakoroni gange ga boiling. So ngenda kwoza buno. Esowaani.
Ngamba esepiki n'oteeka.
Ngenda kulindako Sanyu ajjemu kuba gundi mungi. Ekinene? Okay. I think awajjamu mala. Awajjamu mala. Abeera yeeta.
Ne space ndaba mufuuse we bati ayongereyo.
Ali okay. Mami oyagala nkuyambeko? Okay, gwamanyi ebintu byo kale mami.
It's okay.
Sanyo ine myaka.
Ali 11. Agenda mu secondary in September.
Secondary year.
Yeah.
September secondary.
That is
September at 11.
Yeah, that is year 7.
Wow. And I can
yes, ngananga relieving nze bannange. Nange nkola ebyange. Bannange lengere ekiva gwe. Ng'omulyoka muwayiriza jasa akoze kitalina kyakoze. Nedda bambi. No. So tetuna kuteekamu spices. Naye anti kati tetuvaayo tetumanyi bye bateeka. So gena kuteekako just obugundi butono obwanda.
Okay. Just
a bit more to taste.
Tugenda kuteeka mama just tokwasaamu nagundi. Muna wamma beera steady.
Mulabe sawa ya jazz.
I know. Ekulemye? Mujja kugiyiga musaaga. Yes, that's enough. Tetubyonoona. Okay. Ne mama kusaawa emmeka. All right.
Please.
Mune tufunye this size ne tugula bibiri.
No worries. Kasta.
They said it's oven safe.
Tebabagambye.
Nange nabo baba tebabimanya.
Nedda balina okubimanya.
But they were not sure, right?
The
lady said it is.
Ne bagamba as long as tebibalamu abamu. Tebirwamu nnyo.
Kirina okubeera nga kya ekikigwe.
Naye nga owulira nga kiri strong olaba.
Kandabe. Yeah, kiri strong. But let's hope. Anti kati tusabe mama. Mama Hope, tusabe. I think they should be enough. Isn't it, Mama? Okay. Sijja kwata mbintu.
Cream, not
sorry,
milk.
Double cream. Yeah.
Cream's more fatty than milk. That's how you tell. It's not the same.
Okay, Mami. Doza tuongeremuko kano. Yes, katono. Kajumbo. So
do we still have milk?
Yeah, milk. No ngatambula oyo muveeko mukwano. Hope can travel.
And she said she's coming to.
She has traveled to different countries. Hey. Fetukulinze bannange bakweyo ka surprise keyo bannange tukulabeko. Mami?
This one.
Yes, gaga lya mata mami.
Thank you. That's good. Yeah, that will be okay.
That's okay.
Yes. Sorry, let me just get it. Thank you.
That should be fine, eh? Cut continue with your meal. All right. Kakati nange ngenda kuteeka mu coca red vinegar, but wabeerayo vinegar ngali
White.
Yeah, there is white, there is red. Waliwo ali nga just vinegar.
There's red wine. Yeah, that's red wine.
Yeah, this is red wine. So you can use any
wine.
vinegar you wish to use. If you don't have red wine, osobola okukozesa omulala. All right. Just njagala kuteeka just katono. Katini nze nkozesa katono but abasinga baagala kujjamu lwaki tukakozesa twagala tujjemuuko fats
And the acidity.
And the acidity, yeah, you're right.
And
What do you know what salads? But that is for cooking mainly.
And what else?
What else?
To
You tell them.
It's to balance the
what?
If she's put too much salt, then it's gonna balance it.
Yeah, right.
And don't worry about the acidity. It's gonna burn out while it's cooking. So, and it's not wine, so it's fine.
Normally
in bolognese, they put wine in it.
Okay, kati ngenda kutandika okuteekamu ebirungo byange. Tuteekeko wali. Okitegedde. So kano twakataddemu dda kano eno.
So now I'm assembling.
That is assembling.
Yes.
Okay.
Mami, okozezaako omunnyo gunoze.
Mami.
Kamuwulirireko
muwulirireko. Anti ffe tukozesezza munnyo.
Njawulirira ku ssanyu omunnyo oba gunoze.
Akuweeko nno.
Yes. Lasete esowaani ya white banaye nti okonjokya.
Bannange essanyu toyokya. Mami, be careful. Ayagala mwenna mufune emmere. Mami, you have to be careful, eh?
Yes, Mami.
Tebigwa. So, kano ke kaddako. This one.
It's okay.
Is it? Omunnyo, eh? Kati gwe kasita ogamba kuba toli muntu wa munnyo. Tetugala kuteeka mu chili.
Is it going to be okay for the kids?
Cinnamon we put.
Yeah.
Nedda, just katini.
Mwekali muno. Tayongeramu.
Mami, ate kyokya. Let me hold. Ate oli nga tafunyo eri bakuli.
I'm doing it like one at a time.
Mami, eri bakuli tefunye gundi missed.
I'm doing it one at a time.
Okay. Anti ngamba owe bakuli uno. Okay.
This is the top layer of the pie.
Okay.
I'm telling the viewers.
And I'm saying okay.
Yes. Now, just need a little more.
Just pass me some serviettes. Aziziri wali eri. Just ngireko buli one. Thank you. Mami, I'm just removing this one, yeah?
Yes, Mami.
Okay.
Now I need
Mami, olina what are they called?
One by one.
Yeah, to take one by one.
We put both.
both. If it's big enough.
Bwe tukayo. Nkozi eno frebe ino bamwe ne bitulo ntoko.
Yes.
And I try to them to girongoseeko ba tugikaze lyazi.
Naye era teyeetaagisa, I don't think so.
Tray. Okay, newetaba.
Kasita mubeeramu gundi egundi.
I don't have a fork right now, so
Anti
I need to
balabe.
improvise.
Anti olina okulaga ba viewers bo kyokola.
making ridges in it so it can get crispy top.
Auntie, you have to explain to them why you're doing that, Mummy.
Yeah, I've just told them.
No, Auntie, tebawulira.
I'm making ridges in the pie so it can get crispy top.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's good.
All right. Kakati tugenda ku coveringako anything.